everybody, and welcome to Ishara's Indian Delights again. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing our channel. Today we're going to be doing a lovely bunny chow recipe, and this comes from South Africa. So from my understanding, the bunny chow recipe derives from the early Indian settlers that came to South Africa who worked on the sugarcane farms. And what they had done was, because they were poor and they didn't have a lot of utensils and dishes, they decided that they would take a piece of bread and make a hollow in it and add in their curry. And that would make it much easier for them to eat and less dishes to wash. So the ingredients we will be needing for the bunny chow recipe would be lamb pieces, which I'm using today, and they are curry pieces with the bone on and a little bit of fat for extra flavor. And then we've got curry powder, which is mixed already with chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, and some other ground spices. Then we've got a large onion that's chopped. We've got garlic and ginger, which is ground, salt to taste. We've got oil, and we've got whole spices. Now, for this recipe, you will find it in the description box below. Now, the first thing we will be doing is heating up a large pot. And we're going to add in our whole spices, which are cumin seeds, mustard seeds, bay leaf, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, and star anise. We're going to wait for it to just pop a bit, and we're going to add in our oil. The mustard seeds have started to pop. Now we're going to add in some oil, and take care not to add too much of oil because the meat has got a bit of fat in it. I'm going to give this a stir. And we're ready to put in our onion. We're going to brown this off, and I'll come back and show you the next step. I have used one large onion because I believe the more onion you use, the thicker the gravy becomes. Now that our onion have browned off nicely, we're going to add in our ginger and garlic. And our curry powder. And we're going to give this a good stir. And today I'm working alone videoing this recipe because my daughter Ishara is gone to school. She normally helps me out. So it's a bit difficult for me, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, so I know the spices are looking a bit dry now, but we are going to add in our meat, and once that goes in, you will see the sauce thickening up. I'm going to give this a good stir, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I have given it a good stir, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to add in some water for the sauce to thicken up, and also I'm going to add in salt to taste. We're going to cook this off for about an hour and a half, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like and when to add the potatoes. Make sure to add boiling water to your meat so that it doesn't change the temperature of your meat. So after 1.5 hours of cooking, our meat is nice and soft, and we're just going to add in our potatoes now. And we're going to plate up our bunny once our potatoes are done. So this is how the curry turned out. Absolutely delicious. And now we're going to cut our bread and put in our curry to make our bunny chow. And all we have to do is just scoop out the middle and we put the top part aside. And now we're going to add in our curry. We need lots of gravy to soak up the bread. Guys, this is our delicious lamb curry bunny, and you can get the recipe in our description box. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't be afraid. Take that chance.